video, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on clay. As I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video, it is about the Rhassoul Moroccan clay powder that I got from Amazon. This and the, Aztec Indian healing clay are like two really popular clays for helping to define your curls. So I have a video already on the Amazon clay. I will leave that in the link to it in the description box down below. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into this little video. So this, let me go ahead and open it. I've already done this twice, and this is how much clay I have left. So as you can see, I use quite a bit. I have a lot of hair on my head. So this is probably, this should be enough for one more time. So I would say this little jar gets you about 3 times if you have about as much hair as I do. If your hair is thinner, this will last a lot longer. So the smell doesn't really have a smell to it. It is, it's a really fine powder. I'm not sure if you guys can tell by looking at it. I mixed it with water. I did not show me mixing it because there was really no point. I didn't have any measurements. I was just eyeballing it. And the consistency I was looking for was something that could go through an applicator bottle. So I needed to be able to put it in the applicator bottle and then apply it to my head. So if it's too thick, of course it wasn't gonna be able to get through that small little tip. So I just made it not super duper thin, but it was pretty thin. And like I said, I only used water. People use oils, apple cider vinegar, I don't know, conditioner, like all kinds of things people will add to this. But honestly, like the clay has its own benefits. Like just use water. You're gonna wash your hair after anyway. Now, if you're trying to use this as a cleanser, then sure, go ahead and add some apple cider vinegar, but I was not. I was going to wash my hair after this, so I just mixed it with water, came out perfectly. So I do have a little clip that shows me applying the product to my hair, as well as you'll be able to see how my hair looks without any product on it after I've completely rinsed out this clay. So let's go ahead and jump right into that.
Young lady, looking fine, where you came from? Just wanna know your name. Just wanna show you things. I mean, I would've said that. I ain't even said none. Her beauty wrecked my brain.
That's pretty much it for that. As you guys can see, my hair got super defined. It looked really good, and I absolutely love this clay. It is more expensive than the Aztec healing clay. I want to say this little jar was about $10 or $12 from Amazon, and the other clay, the Amazon healing clay or whatever, Indian healing clay, is like, I think the same price, but the jar is much bigger. It's like double or triple this size. So this one is definitely more expensive, but I absolutely love it. I will not be going back to the Indian healing clay. This is the one I will use. I love it. It's my favorite. Try it out. I definitely recommend testing this one out if you're looking for something to define your curl pattern. And I was supposed to film this video like several days ago, so just so you guys know, this wash and go will be a week old tomorrow. And as you can see, it is a little frizzy in some areas, of course, but it looks really good still. So I love what the clay does for me. It really defines my curls. It's great. I love it. I definitely recommend testing this out. So if you guys have any questions about anything at all related to this clay or this wash and go, let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.